Hi, if you have a funny bone and enjoy making people laugh and want to get paid for it, then I have some good news for you. Hi, I'm Peter the Reinvention Guy Fogel. Now, one of the reasons I am called the Reinvention Guy is because I've helped speakers, authors, coaches, consultants, and salespeople reinvent their stale presentations through the effective use of humor. Take it from me, adding humor to your speeches or presentations wakes up your audience and anchors your very important message in their minds. Not to mention that it's a lot of fun. Now, you think it's hard to do that? Well, think again. That's why I created my ebook, Making the Bucks for Getting the Yucks, Surefire Comedy Secrets for Speakers that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month making people laugh without having to be a comedian. In it, I'll show you firsthand comedy secrets that pros like Ray Romano and Jerry Seinfeld use to make people laugh, how to effectively fit the humor to the point you're trying to make, powerful callbacks that your audience always laughs at, how to trick your friends into telling you what is funny, low-cost or no-cost ways to effectively market yourself as a humorist and speaker. Listen, I can go on and on. To get the whole story, go to my website right now at www.publicspeaklikeapro.com.